Yeah, so basically we're in Berkeley and we've got a medical office with patients basically just in and out all day. So I think for us, keeping things clean during hours is just a really big deal for us. Before System 4, we were only basically just doing after hours cleaning. And I think honestly, by like noon, things already kind of, I guess, just kind of looked a little bit off again. We brought them in about 6 weeks ago and they added day porter coverage plus window cleaning, which I think we really didn't even realize that we needed it as much as we did. Now, basically, the lobby stays clean throughout the day. Restrooms are always stocked and the glass actually stays clear, which, yeah, I mean, it obviously makes a big difference. I think it just feels, yeah, I mean, I think it just feels way more under control now.